Hi everyone, I hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's episode, we're going to continue Svelte lessons, which we had previously done. And as today's subject is reactive values and how we can display them on screen and increase the volume, change the volume, or manipulate them. Here I've got an example of counter page. I have two buttons of plus and minus sign. I have this hard-coded 0. When I click the buttons, nothing is happening. And as a reminder, I want to remind you that in order to write some JSX code, we have to write them inside the script tag. And here I'm going to make another variable. I'm going to name it count, and I'm going to equal it to 0. Okay, right. Save it. Go to our buttons. Click them. Nothing is happening. The value is not decreasing or increasing according to the buttons that I'm clicking. In order to do that, I have to make some declarations and say on click event. On click event, it's writing like this. I'm going to say on click event. I'm going to declare a JSX value. I'm going to say increase. Save it. Now I'm creating here the arrow function of variable, and I'm saying increase. Increase here. I'm creating an arrow function, very simple. I'm gonna say it count plus plus because we are increasing the value by 1. Okay. Not like that. Obviously, the arrow function is like this. Okay. Let's press plus button, but nothing's happening. Why? Because this is hard-coded, okay? We have to write it in JSX and say count and display it on screen. The renewed refresh value. Okay. Our value is increasing. I'm gonna do it also to the minus button. I'm gonna say here on click. Okay, and I'm say decrease the value, but not like this. In JSX environment, we have to declare it inside in this parenthesis. Here I'm coming down and say decrease the value. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video in order to go and reach more audience in YouTube. Okay, let's see now what's happening. The minus value, it's okay, but I don't want this happening. If count is less or equal to 0, then return. I don't want to continue it. Let's increase once again and decrease it. Okay, now we're good to go. Here now, how we can declare the reactive values. Okay, I'm gonna say here multiply value, multiply value. I hope it's correct written. Multiply value, and I'm going to display it here. Let's say here we have multi-value. Multiply value, and I want to display it on screen. Okay. Why it's not something is happening? I've got it right. Okay. I have every sentence right. It's a variable, but it's not increasing. Why? Because I didn't declare count plus multiply 2, right? Right? Now I'm gonna display it. No? Nothing is happening. I'm getting the count value. I multiplied by 2, but nothing display in my screen. Why this happening? Svelte says us that in order to display reactive values inside our DOM element, we have to say that it's a reactive value. And in order to do that, we have to say $sign and 2 dots like this. And now this is a reactive value. Each thing that I calculate inside my script tag, it's going to refresh because of the reactive value, and it's going to display it inside our DOM element. Let's continue and see now. It's like this. It's so simple. I'm going to make it 0 once again. If I say +2, what's going to happen? It's like this. It's calculating like this method. Okay everyone, I'm gonna cut this video here. Thanks everyone for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thanks once again that you give the time and watch this video. And I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. See you. Bye.